Hola, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Monifa and welcome to my channel. So this is a different concept that is on my channel. Y'all love reading my thoughts on Instagram and TikTok on screen. So I actually decided to finally sit down and say it out loud with my new series called Mindful Chatter. It's a series where I sit down and talk about various different topics, how I'm feeling at the moment, and just to come up here and be unapologetically me, okay? So let's just get into the topic at hand on what this video is going to be about. Alright, is no one can be better than you because no one can be you. There's only one you. Your DNA, your fingerprint, your personality, your experiences, your story, your calling, your purpose. And once you truly understand that, you stop spending your whole entire life trying to be someone else. I feel like one of the main reasons people struggle with confidence is because they always looking sideways. I look over your son, I look over this one, I look over this one, I compare and contrast someone else's body, someone else's money, someone else's relationship, someone else's lifestyle. And comparison is really dangerous because you're comparing your behind the scenes to everybody highlight reels. People are only going to show you the best version of themselves, the best parts of their life, especially when it comes to social media. So you comparing what you doing or what's going on in your life behind the scenes while people are showing you the best parts of themselves, and you're like, well, why am I not here, and why is this not this, and why is that not that? Stop it. You don't know what the hell they might go through in their life. You don't know what the heck they're going through in life, and you want to be them. Why? Please tell me why. Why? Hurry up and explain. Listen, you was not created to live someone else's life. You was created to live your own life. God didn't make copies. Think about it. Your fingerprint is different uniquely to you. Your spirit, your soul is uniquely to you. Everybody have a unique imprint, blueprint of themselves. Everybody's here for their own purpose in life. Everybody have their own purpose in life. Some of them are NPC though. Me not lie. Some of them are real life NPC. Like, you ever play Sims? You see those background characters that's just literally walking in place? That's y'all. But that's a story for another day. But who I'm talking to, y'all know who I'm talking to. Who get it will get it. You know? There was no copies made. Everybody is uniquely different for a reason. Like, nobody has the same anything, same mind, same voice. Nobody has the same combination of experiences. That means your existence isn't an accident. Everything happens how it's supposed to happen, when it's supposed to happen. And another thing, I think that being yourself is the cheat code to life. The moment you stop trying to be everybody else and copying everybody else is the moment people start noticing you. Which brings me to my other point, which is stop thinking everybody else's gifts take away from yours. Everyone else can be beautiful, everybody else can be talented, everybody else can be funny, everybody else can be smart, everybody else can be outgoing, everybody else. Think of any word that you want to put in that phrase. None of that takes away from you. None of that takes away from you or who you are. I feel like life isn't like a big pie where if everybody else cuts the pie and keep taking slices from the pie, you're gonna be left with less. No, there's room for everybody. Life on a pie, you know. There's room for everybody to exist and be. Someone else's blessings does not cancel yours. Your time is coming. It's just not your season, and it's just not your time. One thing I've learned is that my purpose doesn't need me to be anyone else. It needs me to be me, Monifa. Because the people I'm meant to reach and connect with might not connect with anybody else but me. They'll connect with the way I speak. They'll connect with the way I think, my personality, my facial expressions, the way I enunciate my words, the way I pronunciate my words, the way I make jokes, the way I laugh. So many different reasons why people connect with other people. That's why trying to be someone else, in my eyes, delay your progress and your own purpose, because you're trying to fit into a mold that can't be fit. Like you don't even, it's like putting on a jacket. That sounds like Sincere. You know Sincere from Love Island, and always up like this, always making a metaphor, simile, hyperbole. But no, like honestly, it's like putting on a jacket that is obviously not your size, but because that jacket is trendy and that jacket is cool, you want to go stuff your big arms in it. It don't fit you. That's not you. Do you, be you, and your crowd would follow. It's that simple. And that's why it's important to be confident in yourself. Having confidence is like knowing that you're not better than somebody else, but just accepting who you are. Like, I'm not better than nobody, but me know who I am. I know who I am. Nobody can tell me who I am, and that's just that on that. I know exactly who I am, or I'm figuring out who I am. I don't have to put anybody else down to feel more confident or more validated. In fact, real confidence is not competing with nobody else. The only person I'm competing with, honestly, if we bring up the word compete, it's the last version of myself. Last year me, 6 months me, 2 weeks me. So in conclusion, no one is better than you. Get that in your head. You know that one meme with the girls like this to the next girl? Get that to your skalati. Make it imprint, make it stay. No one's better than you, and you're also not better than anybody else. You're just simply you, and they're just simply them. Stop chasing other people's identity. Stop comparing yourself. Be yourself. It's your greatest advantage, and honestly, it's the cheat code to life.